No matter the sport, season, or reason, there's never a bad time to fire up the grill and do a little tailgating. I'm Mandy with Ritter Lumber, and we're having some fun today. Welcome to Ritter Lumber's At Home series. Today we're talking tailgating, the great parking lot pastime of sports fans everywhere. But you can tailgate even in your own driveway, and we're going to show you how. This is the Fire Disc Outdoor Portable Propane Cooker. It's a solid carbon steel construction that's both durable and versatile. It's easy for travel, but sturdy to stand up to heavy-duty use. Whether you're throwing on some hot dogs for a large group or doing filet mignon for two, the Fire Disc can provide the perfect outdoor cooking environment for virtually anything, anywhere, and it's made locally in Houston, Texas. First off, we're going to show you how to set up your Fire Disc. Let's head outside. We're outside now, and as you can see, the footprint is very small and sets up to a perfect 36-inch height. Now, as we said, this is a propane unit. It uses a 16.4-ounce green propane tank, but it also is adaptable to a 20-pound white propane tank using a 4-foot adapter hose. Once you're up and running, you can cook anything from barbecue meats such as burgers, links, and hot dogs, breakfast foods such as scrambled eggs and pancakes, plus stew, veggies, and even fish. And now we're back inside because it's designed to go where you go. It collapses and travels in a flash. You can take it to more than just tailgating. It goes camping, picnicking, hunting, and even to the fish camp. Or simply leave it set up at home to become your standard patio grill. The opportunities are endless. Ritter Lumber also carries these classic style Rio brands folding web chairs. They collapse flat and are the perfect companion to sitting down after cooking a great meal and enjoying the fruits of your labor. If a larger setup is what you need for your next tailgate party, we carry a wide variety of folding tables and chairs, and portable canopies to keep your tailgate squad out of the direct sun. And for all of your grilling tools, rubs, and seasonings, Ritter Lumber has you covered as well. If you haven't checked out our online shopping at ritterlumber.net, check out all the items we just talked about for your next tailgating adventure. Just buy on our website and pick up in store. Shopping local has never been easier. I'm Mandy, and this has been another at-home tip from Ritter Lumber. Be sure to keep your eye here for more tips on how Ritter Lumber can simplify your project. Take care.